Before and after. Numbers within 20. Today we will learn about numbers before and after. We will use numbers from 1 to 20. Numbers have an order. Numbers get bigger as we move forward. The number before means one step back. What number comes before 7? The answer is 6. What number comes before 12? The answer is 11. The number after means one step forward. What number comes after 7? The answer is 8. Let us try some examples. A few more examples. Great job! Download the free worksheet from the description below. To try more questions. Share with families and educators who may benefit. Free worksheet link in the description.